Hello guys, I am going to demonstrate a traffic signal experiment. For this, there are 5 different components, 3 LEDs. Since in traffic signal there are 3 different lights, red, green and yellow. Right now I have no yellow LED and market is closed due to corona. So I have taken blue instead of yellow. There are 5 different components, 3 LEDs, red, green, yellow. I have taken blue because yellow is not available right now. And second component is 3 220 ohm resistors, Arduino UNO board. This one is Arduino UNO board, Arduino USB cable. This is Arduino USB cable and 4 M2M jumpers. I have taken 4 M2M jumpers and 3 220 ohm resist. First I am going to show the connection. This is our breadboard. This is Arduino UNO. Arduino UNO has 2 types of pin, digital pin and analog pin. These are digital pin. In top there is 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 is RX and 1 is TX. From 2 to 13 there are digital pin that can be used for input output purpose. I have shown Arduino UNO circuit. First pin is 0, that is also known as RX pin. First pin is TX. So I have connected our 3 LEDs with 2, 3 and 4 number pin. 2 is connected with red LED, 3 is connected with green and 4 is connected with blue. Actually it must be yellow. 1 jumper is connected with ground, that is after pin number 13 that I have shown here. So I have used 4 pin of Arduino UNO. Pin number 2, pin number 3, pin number 4 and ground. This ground jumper, 1 pin is connected with this ground and this jumper is connected with this second row, and you know all these rows are in series. I have taken common ground and this ground will work for all 3 LEDs. The symbol of LEDs is shown here. The long side of triangle is shown as positive and narrow side is denoted by negative. That is all LEDs. Short pin is shown by this one and long pin is shown by this plus. Taken 3 LEDs. This minus is shown here and plus is shown here. Similarly, second LED minus plus, third LED is minus plus, and this minus is connected with this ground. Second row, short pin of all 3 pins are connected with this second row, that is they have common ground and this ground is connected with Arduino ground. The connection of anode node is shown here. This anode is the anode of red LED is connected with this vertical line at this hole. Since you know all these are in series, so I have attached this 1 pin of resistor 220 ohm and second pin is connected with this series and 1 connection is connected with pin number 2 of Arduino. Similarly, the green pin LED, the anode of green LED is connected with this series line and 1 pin of this resistor is connected with this series and second pin of this resistor is connected in this row in this vertical series and 1 connection is connected with Arduino 3, pin number 3 of Arduino. Similarly, I have connected the anode of blue that should be yellow anode with this series and 1 pin of this third resistor is connected with this series and another pin of this series is connected with this and this is connected with pin number 4. Red number LED, red is connected with 2 LED, green is connected with pin 3 of Arduino and third one LED blue is connected with pin number 4 of Arduino. So this is the circuit of our traffic signal. Now we attach all these with our Arduino and breadboard. First I attach red LED in second row of this breadboard, short pin in this second row and long pin in this vertical. I have attached second LED short pin in this second row at anywhere and long pin in series at this. Then I have attached this third LED short pin on second row, long pin in series verticals. All short pin of LEDs is connected with this plus line or this second series. Now I connect Arduino ground. This is ground after 13 number pin. This ground of Arduino is connected with this second row. The ground of all LEDs is connected with this. One pin of resistor is connected in the long pin of the red LEDs. Second pin in any vertical line. This anode is connected with pin number 2 of Arduino. Next resistor, one pin of resistor is connected with the long pin of this green and second pin at some vertical rows, and the second pin of this resistor is connected with pin number Arduino 3. Pin number 3 of Arduino, and one pin of third resistor is connected with this blue long pin. Second pin of this resistor is connected with 4 number pin of Arduino. This is the connection. Then I connect this Arduino with Arduino USB cable to supply power and upload the program. So our connection is complete. There is a program. First I show you program. Variable R, G and B. R is connected with pin number 2. R is defined as 2, G is defined as 3 and B is defined as 4. Now white setup, serial begin 9600, that is 9600. This is the baud rate of serial put. Then pin mode of R is output and digital write red pin low. First I off the red pin, red LED. Then pin mode G output and digital write green light is low. Pin mode B as output. It means R, G, B all are taken as an output and they are initially off. Low means off. Then we write the program for traffic. Digital write G high. First I on the green LED. On next line I have written serial.println green LED on go. It means traffic is on, and after that I have taken delay 3 seconds, delay 3000, that is 3 seconds. Then digital write G low. After green, since green is high, now I off the green light and digital write B high. Now B, that is yellow, there must be yellow. Since I have no yellow LED, so I have written here B. Now B is high and green LED is off, blue LED is on, and this is the message of wait. Then again I have taken 3 seconds delay and then digital write blue low. After that I off the LED blue. Then digital write R is high and that is the red pin is on, and then I have written serial println blue LED off, red LED on, blue LED off, red LED on, and this is the message stop. Then I have used delay 3 seconds and then digital write R blue. And since these statements are in loop statements, so it will repeat many. So this is the program, and now I upload this program on our Arduino IDE. First on our IDE, I start the Arduino IDE, then I write the program that I have shown earlier, and this program is shown here. After loading the program, we verify this program by clicking this tick arrow. When we bring our cursor at this tick, it shows a message verify. That is, it is for verification or compilation. So I click here for verification. If there is any error, then that error will be shown in bottom in this black window. There is no any error. I upload this program on our Arduino board. Before uploading the program, I check two things: the board and port. Board is Arduino UNO. If it is not Arduino UNO, click on Arduino AVR boards. Then it will show you Arduino UNO. Then select it, and there are a number of different Arduinos we use in our real life. Currently, I am using Arduino UNO, so I have taken this Arduino UNO. This is the first part, and second part, check the port. To check the port, again I click on tools. Again I click on tools, and then move to the port. Before showing this, I attach this port with our laptop. The Arduino board LED blinks when I connect our Arduino UNO USB cable with our laptop. It will show blinking. After attaching that, I check the COM port. Port is COM3 selected, so serial port is COM3. If we check these two, then we upload the program. For uploading the program, we click on this right arrow. When we put our cursor on this icon, it shows upload. So for uploading, we click on this right arrow. Uploading starts. Before uploading, I reset the Arduino board. Before uploading the program, we reset the Arduino board by clicking this reset button. After uploading, we see all LEDs are work as given in our program. Red LED on, green LED on, then blue LED on, red on, and so on. You can also see the message of the program by using serial monitor shown in right upper corner. Serial monitor icon. Click on serial monitor icon. We see here green LED on, green LED off, blue LED on, blue LED off, red LED on, all off, then LED, green LED on, go, green LED off, LED on, wait, blue LED off, red LED on, stop. That's all. Okay, thank you.